Hello everyone, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, super excited to announce our new bootcamp that is 3.0 Ultimate Data Science and AI Engineering Bootcamp. And this specific bootcamp will be for 12 months and it is starting from September 6, 2026 and the classes will be on every Saturday and Sunday 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. Along with that, we will have every alternate Wednesday session that is between 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. IST. Okay, that needs to get updated, and I will soon update that. I've already told my team. So Saturday and Sunday, along with that, every alternate Wednesday 8:30 to 11:30 p.m. IST. Now, if you remember, on January, right, on January 11th, 2026, we had launched our 2.0 Ultimate Data Science and Gen AI Bootcamp. And this is our 3.0. And you may be thinking, because I have already told you that this batch is going to get launched once in a month, once in a year, sorry. But why I'm launching it little bit early? The reason is very simple. Because in this specific bootcamp, we have completed our entire machine learning, feature engineering, everything as such. And now we are going to start deep learning over here. And the best about this 3.0 Ultimate Data Science Bootcamp is that you'll also be getting an access to 2.0 Ultimate Data Science and Gen AI Bootcamp. That basically means you will be able to attend these live sessions also. Since we are going to start deep learning and then Gen AI, and then we are going to probably go ahead and implement Agentic AI applications and many more things. So if you have some prerequisite knowledge of machine learning, you will be also able to continue the sessions over here. And here you'll also be getting the recordings of the machine learning, everything as such, right? So that's the reason we are launching this in this specific month, that is September 6th, right? So both these specific boot camps you will be able to join, and these live sessions are already going every Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so that is the most important reason why we have actually launching this on September 6th, 2026. And again, for people who do not have any knowledge, who wants to probably start completely from basics, then you can go ahead and start with this specific bootcamp. Along with this, we also give you the access of 2.0 so that you'll be able to see what are the recordings available over there. And if you also want to join the live session from deep learning, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. So that was the most important thing. And here you can see a complete detailed syllabus where we are going to cover about Python foundation, advanced Python programming, data analysis, data visualization, databases, statistics, machine learning. Then we go ahead with NLP, big data, deep learning, advanced deep learning for NLP, generative AI, vector databases, LangChain, LangGraph, RAG, enterprise LLM system, agentic AI. So everything. If you are starting for the first time in learning AI engineering, if your goal is that within the next 6 months you really want to get into AI engineering and start working, this specific bootcamp is for all of you out there. Okay, so this is the most important announcement. And the major reason why I'm doing this is that because there are many demands and requests from many people out there. We really want to start completely from basics, completely from scratch. Then this bootcamp is the thing for you. Okay, then if you just go ahead, if you are really interested, just go ahead and click on enroll now. Here is the detailed landing page. Along with that, you have a detailed syllabus. The syllabus over here, you'll be able to see what all things we will be covering, everything from basics. The mentor of this specific batch will be Monal and Soranshu Paul, and they have done a fabulous job in 2.0 also. And amazing feedback from all the people out there. And here you'll be able to see all the topics like module 3, what it will happen, module 4, what it will happen, module 5, module 6. Everything has been covered with complete depth. And if you probably go till the end of this particular modules, you'll be able to see there are more than 20 modules itself. See, so here you can see model 27. Okay, so model 27 we have created this syllabus, and this goes for a year, right? And many people, if they also wants to directly go ahead and start with, you may have machine learning prerequisites, you may have Python prerequisites. So from 2.0 also you can directly go ahead and start with deep learning. So that access also you'll be able to get in the course dashboard with respect to joining all the live sessions. You'll be able to attend the doubt clearing sessions and many more things. Okay, so this is one amazing announcement, and this is the first time we are doing this so that many people do not have to wait for 12 months. If you are able to devote around 6 months, you'll be able to cover both machine learning and deep learning, right? So that's the most amazing thing, because a track that will actually help you get covered deep learning, generative AI, and there will be another track which will actually help you get covered in machine learning, statistics, each and everything, right? And this is based on the roadmap that I have actually created earlier, right? So we specifically say that, hey, what if I give you two routes? One is the traditional route, one is the modern route. So modern route, you start with deep learning. Traditional route, you basically start with data science. So both of them parallelly, you'll be able to take it. But if you're going towards modern route, you need to have some prerequisite knowledge of machine learning, Python, and all, right? Then you'll be able to understand deep learning things and all, and you'll be able to cover it up. Okay. So this was the announcement. Now, obviously, the price is 12,000 inclusive of GST. Okay, inclusive of GST. And our fundamental of pricing things is like for every month you're paying us 1,000 rupees. Okay, but it is less than 1,000 since we are including GST also over here. And many people will be asking for discounts, definitely. My birthday is on 24th August, right? I'm going to become 37 years of age. I'm basically growing up. Sometimes I feel I don't have hair and all, but I'm making sure that I keep on teaching you in a way that it actually matters in the industry. So for all of you, we are providing 20% off. You can go ahead and use the coupon Krish20, which is again provided in the description of this particular video. You can go ahead and utilize that. And once you utilize that particular coupon, you'll be able to get 20% off. Remember, from this particular bootcamp, like 3.0, you'll also be getting an excess of 2.0. You'll be able to start with two amazing tracks parallelly, and you'll be able to complete the entire AI engineering, right? So this is one amazing thing that I really want to bring in front of you. I hope you go ahead and probably check out this specific course. All our live sessions are quite amazing, you know amazing feedback. 4.8 is the 4.8 to 4.9 is the average rating that we are specifically getting from this particular bootcamp. So yeah, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.